How to fix Instagram direct messages. Hello guys, so if you have any problem with the direct messages on your Instagram, just watch this video until the end. First step you have to do is very simple. You don't need to download any other app. Just go to the settings on your phone, go to the apps manager, and right here on this page you will find all the apps that you have downloaded on your phone. Go to Instagram. Now all what you have to do here is very simple, just keep watching. First thing, you have to go to the permissions and make sure to enable all the permissions, and then go back, click on the data usage, scroll down and make sure to enable all those options right here. Go back again, and the last thing you have to do is just click on the storage, click here on this clear data option. Now all what you have to do is restart your phone and reopen Instagram, and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.